guys, it's been a while. It's 2020, January 1st. Happy New Year to everybody. And I thought today would be a great day to hike up to my favorite place, Harkening Hill. Been here 1,000 times, but it's nearby. It's my backyard and I know it well. I love it. I found a great site that overlooks the Johnson farm right here on the hill. I'm just gonna set up and make some tea and have a snack. Boiling a little chaga fungus tea. And while we're waiting for that, got a little fireball, some candied ginger, and one of my favorite things, an apple pie from Mountain Fruit and Produce. I stopped at the Oriental store the other day to buy some stuff to make some Chinese food with, and they had one of my favorite things was candied ginger. If you've never experienced candied ginger before, go to the Oriental store and get some. Usually you can find it at the Asian food markets. It's hard to find like at Kroger or anywhere else like that, but candied ginger is the stuff in the wintertime in particular. So. Hey guys, I hope 2019 was good to you. I'm just out for a little walk around the Johnson farm up at Harkening Hill. Thought this would be a good way to start the year. All in all, I had a good year. Some really good stuff happened. More often than not, it's just routine life. But, you know, it is what it is. Make of it what you will. Looking forward to 2020. Don't know if anything that I've planned is going to happen. Don't use tinfoil for a windscreen. Behold the delicious lunch delicacy that is the Mountain Fruit and Produce apple pie. Flaky crust. Delicious apple inside. Yeah. If you ever find yourself on the way to the Peaks of Otter from Bedford, Mountain Fruit and Produce, they're about $5 a piece, but they're worth every penny. So good. Something else too, if you've never tried this chaga fungus, it's a fungus that grows on birch trees in the north. This particular piece I got from a fellow in Alaska, but there's people that sell it on eBay and stuff. You have to kind of know who to buy it from and what you're gonna get. Be discerning about it. It's hard to, you can't just buy it on the shelf. But if you get it from a reputable dealer, somebody that harvests it sustainably, but you can get this stuff online, and it's really there's nothing like it. I carry like 1 or 2 chunks in my pack, and it lasts me months. I can just, you know, just dry it out so it won't mold after you're done. When you're finished drinking it, just wrap it in a paper towel or dry it out. Make sure it stays nice and dry when you're done with it. But you can just use it over and over again, and it makes really good tea. Put a little bit of sugar in with it, and it's very delicious and it's very good for you. Look that up online sometime. Benefits of chaga, C-H-A-G-A. And it's a very medicinal mushroom. It's good for what ails ya. It's cool. Very medicinal mushroom. Great thing to have in your pack, in your arsenal. It's really, really good for you. Really good for you. I've got my short underquilt and my Trek light hammock going today. Just a lightweight, all around good hammock setup. It's not freezing cold. I've got a full length underquilt I would use if it were really cold out. But since it's just kind of chilly, I've just got my little short underquilt. Even on a chilly day like today, these underquilts are really indispensable. As if you lay here for any length of time, it gets chilly, and these underquilts are really, really important to have if you want to stay warm. Otherwise, your bottom gets cold. One good thing that happened in 2019 is I was able to get some more gear. And one of the best things that I bought this year was these Fallen Robin pants. You've probably seen them online before. I really like these things. They're a great alternative to just the Columbia pants that I was wearing and stuff. They're super nice cargo pants. They've got lots of pockets. And they're very, very durable. They got these reinforced knees that actually have a pocket underneath where you can get in there with a knee pad. I'll do a full review later if anybody's interested. Just let me know and I'll talk all about my pants. But otherwise, they're really nice pants. I've been wanting to get a set of these things for a long time. So another good piece of gear that I got in 2019 was this set of really nice cork-handled LEKI trekking poles. They collapse down into nothing and they weigh next to that. They fold up really nice and small, so they fit inside my pack really well, and they're very comfortable. I've used them now for several months and I just love them. Can't say enough good things about these new LEKI trekking poles. I'm very lucky to have gotten them. There's another reason I like this gear is there's my underquilt, my Trek Light hammock. This is a Warbonnet Yeti from several years ago. Trek Light, and I think that's a double. And then this is my down sleeping bag that my good buddy Russ found for me at the Goodwill, and it's all inside my new-ish. I guess I got it this year. This Marmot Meteor day pack that I've done a review on before. The more I use it, the more I like it. So yeah, all in all, 2019's been a good gear year for me anyway. I got this new Marmot pack, I got my new LEKI trekking poles, and I got my new Fallen Robin pants. 3 big things I've wanted for a long time.